So hubby asked for some braids today, and that's what I'm gonna do. On his freshly washed and conditioned hair, I am using this brush dryer to dry his hair, and I am parting it with my hands to make sure I get every strand and also to get some length for the box braids. I told him that his hair is giving Ace Ventura. Yikes on bikes. So I'm adding a little bit more leave-in conditioner to his hair, detangling it with my comb a little bit more, and parting the sides down so that I can get a clear separation from his side cut. So we're going to officially start the style by carefully parting his hair right down the middle. I do this carefully because I want to make sure I get 2 equal parts. I even move to the front to make sure that my parting is straight. Once I get 2 equal parts, I tie down one section and I start working with the other half. So we're going to start with the first braid by parting that small section, applying some jam to the scalp, allowing the jam to help us make the part neater by passing our comb again over the parting. I am adding more gel to the perimeter of the section that I'm going to braid. And I'm tying away the rest of his hair to get it out of the way. I am braiding his first braid from the front because it's going to lay on his forehead. I'm making that braid as tight as possible. After this first braid, I am further separating this half of his hair into 2 smaller sections because we're going to have 4 total rows of braids, 2 on this side and 2 on the other half. I really wanted to make sure that my parts were neat. I am putting one of the smaller sections that we just separated away to work on the outer one. You can see me here starting to make what will be 4 equal parts for 4 braids. I separated every smaller section first to make sure that they are all the same size. Once I have that, I will use the jam on each part, each perimeter of the braids, detangle with the comb, and then I start braiding. So this is the last braid of the first row. I did the same thing that I did for every other braid. Put gem on the perimeter, detangle it, and braid the hair down. Moving on to the next section, I am following the same layout to separate each part with my comb, and I braided 4 more braids. So it's a straight line from separating the first row of braids to the second one. And this is the last braid of the first half. And then we're gonna move on to the second half of his hair, part it to 2 smaller sections again, braid 4 braids on each row, and lastly we're going to add some mousse to his hair. We're gonna blow dry that and make sure it's dry. And that's all. That is all, folks. He likes it. I liked it too. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in another video.